Hey, so I made this Elven Waystone, and I even made a template so you can make it yourself, which you can get on miscast.co for free. I used thin cardboard. Cereal box cardboard works best, or in my case, cardboard from a box of shortbread biscuits from Christmas. The best kind of biscuit. Mint slice is a close second, and I would say, with much thought, Monte Carlo's in third place. I use superglue to join the bits together because it's fast, but it's really annoying if you mess things up. I used a heap of superglue all over the surface and sprinkled on some bicarb soda. This will help make things look less like cardboard and a bit more organic. Is this amount of superglue good for your health? Probably not, so do this with good ventilation and away from your inhaling holes. Then sand it so it's sort of smooth while retaining some areas of texture. Great, okay, it's paint time. This segment is called How to Paint Crystal When You're Just Okay at Painting and You Don't Have an Airbrush, aka 9 hard lessons I've learned. Step 1. Brush strokes are your friend, but only in diagonal directions. Step 2. Use a glaze medium that's like paint without colour in it and makes your paints look translucent. Step 3. Wait for each layer to dry, and this is probably the hardest bit. The entire project relies on your self-control. Step 4. More glaze, more weight, more glaze. Step 5. Edge highlights. This is the moment where things look like they're coming together, so breathe easy, it's all gonna be okay. Step 6. Clear coat. Thorough clear coat. Clear coat is fickle and must be respected. Too little and your paint won't be protected by harsh solvents, and too much or too fast and it will never dry and spend an eternity in a state of tacky hell, surviving on a diet of only dust particles and fingerprints. 7. Magic. Oil paints exist to unify your poor brushstrokes in rich colours and fill a void of detail that was once not there. 8. More highlights, but softer. This gives the illusion of volume. Not by much, but whatever helps. 9. Don't touch it. Don't overhandle it, don't pick it up in admiration, and whatever you do, especially when you ignore this advice, don't drop it. So I was going to make a little stand for this and call it a day, but this piece needs context, some sort of frame to give it scale, a way to ground it in reality, so that's what I did. I wanted to do this fast to get to bed, and that's when I discovered a secret. Cut corners and see what happens. In this case, I didn't use a primer or sub-assemblies or paint carefully, I just slapped on watered down paint and wiped off the bits I didn't like, and just let mistakes happen. In the end, all the misplaced brushstrokes, all the puddles, all the stains, it tied everything together and added to the scene in a way I would have never naturally come to. I tell you what though, if you want anything to look more natural, just add some dusty pigments all over the place. Also, flowers are pretty cool. That's it. Enjoy. Don't forget to grab your free template on miscast.co, or go there just to check out my other projects or products that I'm really proud of. Okay, I'll see you in a mo. Also, how about all those videos lately? Am I right? Feels good. Thanks to all the people buying my stuff or donating or Patreoning, keeping my channel thriving in this tricky time, and funding copious amounts of superglue. You're the best. It's really cool. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in soon.